Meanwhile, several locals gathered in the Barangay Batasan Hills lauded and expressed their sentiments on the recent State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. as we hear this from Denise Osorio's report.
Bibit Francisco, a board member of the Holy Spirit Tricycle Operators and Drivers Association, or TODA, expressed his gratitude to the President for the faster and less stressful trips along Commonwealth Avenue nowadays. Where once congested, chaotic, and noisy, the commute or drive along the highway is now clean, organized, and far more comfortable.
Naging maayos naman po tungkol sa mga nagkaroon ng NCAP, naging disiplinado yung mga driver. Wala na siguro ako masabi po. No? Maganda naman po talaga yung ng pamamahala ng Pangulo natin.
We also spoke to Roy Colmenares, a jeepney driver for nearly 3 decades, who shared how the consolidation scheme has been a huge lift to drivers like him.
Ayos naman ang pagkakonsolidate. Okay naman, ma'am. Okay lang kahit paano. Para yung mga sasakyan mabago naman. Yung sasakyan ko naman, pinapayos ko naman para pakita rin sa mga tao na pinapayos na yung sasakyan nila. Kasi kung luma ng sasakyan mo, simple, madaling madisgasya.
Near the local market, several shops also had their television screens tuned into the sauna. While waiting for a customer's hair treatment to finish, everyone inside the salon was glued to the screen. Julie Flora, the salon owner, acknowledged the good that's been done, but said she's still hoping to see other promises kept.
Lang, tuparin na lang niya yung sinabi niya. Kasi yun ang aasahan namin, lalo na kami mga senior. Yun ang aasahan namin.
Jong Isip, a local barber, stressed the importance of understanding the government's initiatives rather than listening to rumors or gossip.
Maganda naman po yung ginawa sona ng Pangulo. Kasi all in all, nakita naman natin na may ginagawa ang gobyerno para sa taong bayan. Sa mga maliliit na mamayan, lalong-lalo katulad ko, so dapat wag tayo basta-bastang maniniwala sa sabi-sabi o kaya yung mga idea lang natin na wala namang ginagawa yung gobyerno o kaya reklamo lang tayo ng reklamo. Siyempre maging part ka rin ng solution kaysa magreklamo ka.
He added that one of the strengths of the current administration is its emphasis on transparency.
Katulad ngayon sa flood control project, doon minsan may mga time na nakukurakot imbis na dapat yung proyekto maging matapos ng mas maaga at kapaki-kapakinabang para sa taong bayan, nakukurakot.
Jong pointed out that change doesn't happen overnight. Often, he said, it's the people themselves who resist new policies. But once they've adjusted, the benefits become clear. Denise Osorio from the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.